Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at the Yakima HighSpeed bike carrier. The HighSpeed can carry bikes with a wide range of axle sizes and styles, such as quick release or through axles with its innovative axle clamp mechanism. To mount the HighSpeed on your vehicle, place the unit on your crossbars. This product will fit most factory and aftermarket crossbars, and the rear mount has the capability to slide to accommodate your vehicle's bar spread. To attach the HighSpeed to your front crossbar, start by sliding the rear cover back to release the lever in the front. Then, remove the front lever from the detents. Route the strap under your crossbar and back up through. Hook the lever back into the detents. There is a gray wheel to adjust the tension of the strap on your crossbar. Depending on the shape of your bar, you may need to adjust this wheel. After that, close the lever and slide the rear cover back into place. Repeat this same sequence for both the second strap in the front as well as the strap to mount the HighSpeed to your rear crossbar. To install the wheel strap, first select which strap is suitable for the width of your bike tire, as two are supplied. Next, thread the strap from either side of the carrier depending on what's easiest for you to reach. Tuck the strap out of the way when it's not in use. The HighSpeed has locking capability in 3 locations using the Yakima SKS Lock Cores sold separately. You can lock the knob on the front of the carrier to keep your through-axle bikes extra secure, lock the unit itself to your rear crossbar, as well as insert a lock into the integrated locking cable to secure the frame of your bike to the HighSpeed. To mount your bike using the supplied axle adapter, remove the wheel of your bike and install the adapter into the forks. Next, load your bike into the carrier. While supporting the bike with one arm, turn the knob on the front of the HighSpeed to tighten the clamp on the axle adapter until you hear a click. Route the wheel strap through the wheel of your bike and into the ratcheting mechanism on the other side of the carrier. To lock up your bike with the integrated TailWhip locking cable, remove the cable from where it's stored in the carrier, route it through the frame of your bike, and lock it up using the key supplied with the optional SKS Lock Cores. Thank you for checking out our video on the Yakima HighSpeed. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email at info@rackwarehouse.com.